Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Janvi Darshan Raut, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department of Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. In this video, we are going to study our practical number 15, that is Z parameters. A two-port network is an electric circuit with two input ports and two output ports. The example of two-port network are bridge circuits, filters, transformers, etc. At the input terminals, the external signals are fed and are transmitted through the network to the output terminals. It is useful in determining the performance of this circuit network and designing of the filters. Z parameters represent the circuit performance. Relevant program outcomes can be discipline knowledge, experiments and practice, and the engineering tools. Competency and practical skills. The aim of this course is to help the student to attain the following industry identified competency through various experiences. Sorry. Diagnose the electric and electronic circuit problem. This practical is expected to develop the following skills in students. First, interpret the circuit Z parameter in terms of voltage and current. Connect the resistors as network and create the port. Practical outcome: determine open circuit Z parameters for the given network. So here is the minimum theoretical background given. We are having two ports, input port and output port, or you can say input terminal, output terminal. Z parameter can be written as V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2, and V2 is equal to Z2 I2 plus Z22 I2. Let I1 and I2 be 0 for this condition. So Z11 is equal to V1 by I1, Z21 is V2 by I1, Z12 is V1 by I2, and Z22 is V2 by I2. Here is the practical circuit diagram is drawn. Resources required are resistances, ammeter, voltage source, etc. Procedure: connect the circuit, switch on the supply, measure the voltage across terminals, read the ammeter reading, switch off the supply, connect the second circuit, switch on the supply, measure the voltage across the terminals and read the ammeter readings. And all the things can be written in this observation and calculation table. Students have to write the practical related questions. Thank you.